we just organized one very exciting and creative exercise in Manav Rachna school, Faridabad. And it was almost attended by almost 500 students, and we had to look for the winners. And it's always very difficult to decide a winner when there is a design competition, because there is nothing right or nothing wrong. But there are a couple of students who have shown extreme talent in terms of illustration skills. And so this whole competition was about drawing one fashion illustration based on your fantasy.